In this video, I'm going to show you 5 quick and easy vegan snacks to boost your protein intake at home or on the go. Let's dive in. Alright, so up first, we have Lupini Beans. So these are not typically that well known, and they're actually pickled bean snacks, which sounds a little weird, but they're absolutely delicious and super nutritious. So Lupini beans actually date back to ancient Egypt and were eaten during the Roman Empire. They're super high in folates, they're also high in manganese, and they're actually 46% protein, which is 50% more protein than chickpeas. So this package of Brahmi brand Lupini beans contains only 175 calories and has 20 grams of plant protein per bag. Pretty awesome. So you can buy these in a pouch like this, and they are super portable. You can just open them up and eat them on the go wherever you are. You can usually find them at health food stores like Whole Foods. So Lupini beans are the first snack on our list. Let's jump into the next one. So the second snack on our list is vegan jerky. So vegan jerky is typically pretty low in calories and also packed with plant protein. I absolutely love jerky, and this Crave brand in particular contains only 160 calories for a whole package, and it has 19 grams of protein, which is pretty awesome. It's actually 48% protein in terms of calories. It's absolutely packed with protein. And there are tons of varieties of vegan jerkies. Some are soy-based, others are mushroom-based, or like this Crave one is actually a pea and fava bean blend, which is pretty unique. So they all have kind of different origins, but they're all equally delicious. So these vegan jerkies have a really long shelf life, and they're also pre-packaged, so you can bring them on the go anywhere. One thing that you might want to be mindful of is vegan jerkies are higher in sodium, so that's something to consider. Vegan jerkies also tend to be on the pricier side, so that's something to consider as well. But there's a really great workaround for that, and that is making your own vegan jerky at home. It's super easy and it's absolutely delicious. So this is tofu jerky, and the instructions are really simple. So first you're going to take an extra firm tofu block and cut it into slabs that are 1/8 of an inch in width, which is about 3 to 4 millimeters. Then you're going to coat those slabs in teriyaki sauce or whatever sauce of your choosing. Then you're going to take all those slabs and lay them down on a baking sheet and bake at 225 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 110 degrees C. You're going to bake those for around 3 hours or until the slices become tough and dry. Now I suggest that you also consider flipping over the slabs around hour 2. Then once they're done, you take them off the baking sheets and you can store the jerky in a sealed container for 2 to 3 days. So this homemade tofu jerky can actually keep on the road, so it's a really great snack to have on the go. Delicious. It's really good. And snack number 3 is a perfect complement to a salty vegan jerky. It is some creamy vegan protein shakes. In my opinion, vegan protein shakes are the most convenient high protein snack. Plus, these protein shakes are often fortified to include B vitamins, calcium, vitamin D, and other nutrients and minerals. These convenient protein shakes usually contain more than 15 grams of plant protein and under 200 calories per serving. So while these are super convenient, they do tend to be more expensive than just buying protein in a tub and making your own protein shakes. So just as an example, this right here is 13 cents per gram of protein for this Orgain nutritional shake, and that ends up being $2.60 per 20 grams of protein. Compare that to 8 cents per gram of protein for Orgain protein powder, which is about $1.60 per 20 grams of plant protein. So cheers to the third snack on our list. All right, so up next on our list, we have one of my all-time favorite snacks, which is not peanut butter. It is powdered peanut butter. So for a 2 tablespoon serving size, regular peanut butter contains 190 calories and 8 grams of protein, making it 17% protein in terms of calories. On the other hand, powdered peanut butter contains 70 calories for 2 tablespoons and also 8 grams of protein, making it 46% protein in terms of calories. That is way higher than regular peanut butter, which makes it a phenomenal protein source. So you can add powdered peanut butter to any recipe that you want to add some peanut flavor to. All you need to do is add a little bit of water to mix it up and make it the right consistency of regular peanut butter. And then you can use that as a dip for apples or celery or bananas, or you can throw it into any kind of dish, or just use it however you want, just like you would with regular peanut butter. And according to a 2020 study from the Department of Nutrition at Harvard University, powdered peanut butter is delicious as So the fifth and final high protein vegan snack on our list is edamame. So this is dry roasted edamame, and we also have frozen edamame. You can also have fresh edamame in the pods, but it's just really easy to buy this frozen in the store. So edamame is really high in fiber and protein. In fact, edamame contains 43% protein in terms of calories. This is really easy to find at grocery stores all over. I love buying the frozen edamame and then just heating it up in a microwave or in a pan, and then you can just add a little bit of sea salt, and it's a delicious snack. I also love eating edamame when I go out to Japanese or Chinese restaurants. That's one of the main appetizers that I usually like ordering, and it's just really fun to pop the little beans in your mouth, and it's a super nutritious snack that's absolutely delicious. So this frozen bag of edamame contains a bunch of food, but it's only 360 calories and packed with 32 grams of plant protein. Frozen edamame is a really convenient snack to bring on the go, but arguably dry roasted edamame is even more transportable. Transportable? Transportationable? I don't know what the word is. And that's why edamame made our top 5 high protein snacks. So those are my top 5 high protein vegan snacks. I hope that you really enjoyed watching this video, and I'll catch you in the next one. I'm gonna go eat some protein.